Our initial idea of the factory Petit actually came out of the thought, how can we bring a factory closer to the consumers? We built a factory which is completely portable, from stitching machines to brushing machines to a color bar. We have our leather technicians coming here helping people to work with the leather in customization. Everything is actually in there for people to customize their own leather. We really like to explain that to them by bringing the leather closer to the people so they can work with it themselves, get the look, touch, feel of leather by working with it themselves. There are many different stations in the factory Petit, and in principle you should see it as a small production line as it is a factory. So you have a selection station where people start choosing their leather. So do you want to work with a smooth leather, with a pebbled leather, or with a nubuck, with a full grain? People get explanation about the different kinds of leathers, and there they choose a design of what they would like to make. So it's either a bag or a wallet or shoes. Then the next stage is actually that they can customize their leather by coloring, waxing, washing, spraying, whatever they come up with. And from there they go to stitching, where the bag is actually being stitched together. And afterwards they still need to assemble some other parts like straps and so there's also the assembling station to it. There's also the 3D customization. So that's actually where people can make their own hack. So they choose an upper, they choose a sole, they pick their own leather, they pick their colors, and they make their own shoes. The combinations are endless. People can come up with the craziest things, and it's totally up to the customer themselves. I think the magic behind it is that people, first of all, do not so easily get a chance to really work with leather and make something. People love to make their own leather item. It's really their design, and they can be so creative. What we often see is people start making a prepared design, but they get so many ideas during the process working with the leather that they do the craziest stuff and go home with a bag which they will never find anywhere else because it's really their own made design, and that's the fantastic thing about it. People love it.